I am eating breakfast right now. I am eating breakfast right now. She is reading a book in the living room. She is reading a book in the living room. We are playing football at the park. We are playing football at the park. They are watching a movie together. They are watching a movie together. He is writing an email to his friend. He is writing an email to his friend. I am listening to music on my phone. I am listening to music on my phone. He is studying for his math exam. He is studying for his math exam. We are walking to the store. We are walking to the store. He is cooking dinner in the kitchen. He is cooking dinner in the kitchen. I am doing my homework. I am doing my homework. They are dancing at the party. They are dancing at the party. She is singing her favorite song. She is singing her favorite song. We are cleaning the house today. We are cleaning the house today. He is talking to his brother on the phone. He is talking to his brother on the phone. I am drawing a picture of a tree. I am drawing a picture of a tree. She is waiting for the bus. She is waiting for the bus. We are shopping for clothes at the mall. We are shopping for clothes at the mall. She is playing with her dog in the park. She is playing with her dog in the park. We are running in the park every morning. 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 We are running in the par We are running in the park every morning.